Hey, folks! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Wild Wonders. Today, we're diving deep into the world of those adorable little critters with a whole lot of personality, the meerkats. Now, if you've ever seen a meerkat, and who hasn't fallen in love with those cute faces, you might think they're just tiny, furry creatures hanging out in the African savanna. But let me tell you, there's a whole lot more to these guys than meets the eye. First things first, let's talk about where these little dynamos live. Meerkats are native to southern Africa, particularly places like the Kalahari Desert. They're part of the mongoose family, which includes a variety of small carnivores known for their agility and hunting prowess. Now, what makes meerkats truly fascinating is their social structure. They live in groups called mobs or clans, usually consisting of around 20 to 50 individuals. Within these groups, you'll find a complex hierarchy that's all about teamwork and survival. At the top of the meerkat hierarchy is the alpha pair, also known as the dominant male and female. These leaders call the shots, making decisions about everything from foraging to defending their territory. And trust me, they take their job seriously. Below the alpha pair are various subordinates, including babysitters, scouts, and sentries. Babysitters, often older siblings, help care for the young meerkats, teaching them essential skills for survival. Scouts are responsible for finding food sources and potential threats, while sentries keep a lookout for predators like eagles, snakes, and jackals. Speaking of predators, meerkats have some ingenious strategies for staying safe. When a sentry spots danger, it lets out a distinctive alarm call, alerting the entire group to take cover. It's like having a built-in security system. But meerkats aren't just about survival. They know how to have fun too. One of their favorite pastimes is sunbathing, where they stretch out on their hind legs, soaking up the warmth. It's like their version of a beach day, minus the sunscreen. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite meerkat behavior, standing on their hind legs. You've probably seen countless photos and videos of meerkats doing this, and there's a good reason for it. By standing tall, they get a better view of their surroundings, making it easier to spot potential threats or food sources. But it's not all about vigilance. Meerkats also engage in playful activities within their groups. They wrestle, chase each other around, and even engage in mock battles. It's all part of strengthening social bonds and relieving stress. Hey, even meerkats need to let loose sometimes. Now, let's talk about diet. Meerkats are omnivores, which means they eat a variety of foods. Their diet includes insects like beetles, spiders, and scorpions, as well as small mammals, reptiles, and even plant matter. They're not picky eaters, that's for sure. When it comes to hunting, meerkats are skilled diggers. They use their sharp claws to unearth prey hiding underground, showcasing their impressive digging abilities. And with those keen eyesight and sense of smell, they rarely miss a meal. But life in the wild isn't always easy, especially for young meerkats. Survival rates for meerkat pups can be low due to predators, disease, and harsh environmental conditions. It's a tough world out there, but these little warriors are resilient. Now, let's talk reproduction. Meerkats have a fascinating mating system. The alpha pair are typically the only ones allowed to breed within the group, ensuring that their offspring have the best chance of survival. Other members of the group help care for the young, creating a tight-knit family dynamic. As the pups grow, they learn essential skills from their older siblings and adult members of the group. It's like a meerkat boot camp, preparing them for life in the wild. But meerkats aren't just limited to the savanna. Thanks to their adaptability, they've also been introduced to other regions, including parts of Europe and North America. While they may not face the same predators and challenges as their African counterparts, they still thrive in these new environments. So there you have it, a deep dive into the fascinating world of meerkats. From their intricate social structure to their playful antics, these little creatures never cease to amaze. Next time you see a meerkat, take a moment to appreciate the resilience and teamwork that defines their way of life. Thanks for joining me on this wild adventure, and until next time, stay curious.